Yeah, but it's a WebSocket, bro. It's different. You so paranoid. Trent is so paranoid up in there. That boy out there in Nebraska, wherever the frick you live, he's so paranoid. Nice, nice. Good. Nice, nice, nice. We're putting this together. Putting it together. But the question is where does this last let go? I'm assuming it's at least there, but I actually think it's one more over. Just because I'm a professional Rust coder. I'm a Rust guy. So I can tell you that it's actually one over. I don't think it is. It might be. No. I don't know. I think I don't know. Come on, don't cap, dog. Yeah, I think I don't know. I'm just gonna run both of them. How about that? Okay. So R and 255. I think we just need one of these, right? He's exposed. He doesn't know Rust. He can't even close a bracket. All right, yep. I'm out of that rabbit hole, buddy boy. Rabbit hole identified. WebSocket works. It just sucks. There's got to be a different way to do this. There's got to be a different way. I'm convinced there's a different way to do this, and but we got brilliant people in the chat and nobody knows. That's the thing. So does it cost $100 an hour to run the Anchor WebSocket watching every transaction on Solana? I know that's a lot, but it's not like we're calling the API. It's not like we're like, hey, dude, let me get the call. Let me get the call. Let me get the call. It's more like this. It's like this here that's frozen on my screen because it's so much. The orders, that's a lot of data, B. And if they were charging me for this, there's no way I'd be running it. And I tried to stream orders before, and it cost me like $400 a day. No, it definitely does not, and you definitely should not subscribe to every transaction. Well, that's what we're doing. That's what we're currently doing, dog. That's what we're currently doing. And how do I not subscribe to more transactions? How do I desubscribe from? How do I only subscribe to the transactions I need? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna ask this. Update my code so I can see all of the things I can subscribe to. The subscription is when we put in the program IDs. Thank you, dude. Thank you. So grateful that you're here. So the program ID here is that, but it's also up here where we say this is the program ID, but I believe that's for Radium program ID, which we need. But then maybe this part would say something else, you know? Like instead of all finalized. I don't know. I'm assuming that's it, right? So if we go here to Anchor Docs here, we have finalized here somewhere. Let's look for it. Yo, Arunas, where did you go, dog? You were on to something, I thought. You can't just bounce. You can't just say that you got something and then bounce, Arunas. Where are you at? We need you. Reading docs, my guy. My guy. I don't even know where the docs are. Anyway, are these the docs that you're reading, by the way? I think that a lot of other Solana exchanges might have copied Radium. How about confirmed? Will that still work, you think? Do you think I'm skilled enough to change out the thing here? Or even find it on my screen? Finalize? Let's change it to confirmed. How about that? What is this? What is that trash? Oh, because it's me. That's me. Definitely me pasting a bunch of stuff in when I just want to paste that. It's always you, dog. All right, let's do a new test. We're only doing confirmed now. Okay, confirmed and finalized are almost the same. I'm backing out. Backing out. Process the node. Thank you, Ernest. I appreciate you for that one. Process the node will query its most recent block. Do you think this one will change it? Processed? Because now it's only looking at the most recent block. It says process the node will query its most recent block. Not that the block may still be I can't read. I just did Solana, Trent. He asked, did I select all or what? Nah, I just did Solana. I just did Solana, Bobana, P5, Fofama, Solana. So these are the parameters. So guys, I'm really slow with this WebSocket stuff, but since these are the parameters, these are my only three options, right? To pass in to the WebSocket, is that correct? So I can say finalize, I can say confirmed or process. These are the params, right? We're getting lickety licked. On Anchor, I should ask GPT these questions. Why am I asking you guys? Why ask the chat? We got a delay here. I can't just be asking chat everything. My brain is just going slow. To see all the variable available. Okay, yeah, I wanted to do this actually. So let's go back here to Visual Studio Code. And then, wow, that's not going to work. Maybe though. Save the CSV file. How do you see all the things? WebSocket connecting. So available subscription types. log subscribe, account subscribe, program subscribe, slot subscribe. Okay, sweet. We got some info here. I'm going to run this back to there, and then I'm going to say available subscription types here. And then I'm going to go to my Visual Studio Code, bro. Oh, I'm in it. I'm not having fun anymore. Readme.md, subscription types, okay. So available subscription types on WebSocket for Anchor. Available subscription types, okay. Since these are the available subscription types, can you explain these? The subscription allows you to listen for specific log messages emitted by programs during transaction execution. You can filter logs by specific mentions such as a program ID or a keyword. Use case, ideal for monitoring program-specific activities or certain events within transactions, such as detecting when a specific program is called or when a specific log message is emitted. Account subscribe. This subscription type allows you to listen for changes to a specific account state. I think that's it. I subscribe to the token program. This subscription type allows you to listen to changes to a specific account state. You will receive notifications whenever the state of the account changes. Use case, useful for tracking changes to an account's balance, data, or any type of change. For example, monitoring a wallet of or the state of a specific token. Program state. This subscription type allows you to listen for any transactions that involve a specific program. So maybe program subscribe. Wait, is that the same thing? Yeah. Program subscribe. So you will receive notifications for all transactions that interact with a given program. Useful for monitoring all activities related to a particular smart contract or program. For instance, tracking all transactions that interact with a decentralized exchange's smart contract. Signature subscribe. This subscription allows you to listen for the confirmation of a specific transaction signature. You will receive a notification when the transaction is confirmed. Use case, ideal for tracking the status of a specific transaction to know when it has been confirmed. For example, ensuring a transaction you submitted has been successfully processed. Slot subscribe. This subscription type allows you to receive notifications whenever a new slot is processed on the Solana network. A slot is a unit of time. And which one do I use? Okay, so problem. Costing 100 per hour to run this. Need to subscribe to a different WebSocket or something. I don't know. If costs this much. Launch node. I want to launch the node. You can smell it. You can smell it. This whole time I've been talking about the node. All yesterday, I'm like, I'm going to launch a node. I'm going to launch a node. I'm Moondev, and I'm going to launch a node. I just want to launch a node. I clearly do. All right? So it is what it is. I'm biased towards that. I'm trying not to. Okay. So based on your initial goal of detecting new token creations, you would likely be interested in monitoring specific logs. No. I'm just going to go look because I can answer that question myself. This is good. See, coding is awesome. Confirmed. Wait, log subscribe. Okay. So I'm getting everything. So this is main.rs. Okay, update this code. So we only subscribe to program, and then we watch the Solana token program address. Right? Am I tripping, or that's the solution? I don't know how to get there, but that's it. I think it's it. I don't know. Barna says, "Hey, how do you think it's best to get into blockchain program and just start coding?" I didn't go to school for any of this, so when you created an anchor, oh, okay, that was it. That was it. I lost y'all. I lost y'all in the sauce. I thought there was a bunch of questions. There's nothing. There's nothing for poor old Mooney here. Oh my god. It's all good though. It's all good. So Barbanus, let me answer that question a little bit better. Watch my YouTube channel. Or just watch any YouTube channel, dog, because it's just about putting the time in, learning how to code for blockchain programming or whatever you want to do with your code. It's just time. Sure, I'll update the code with the program, subscribe and monitor that. Here's the updated code. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you. Ain't it? Let's see if this runs it back. Okay. Let's see what that did. Arunis, are you still here? What do you think of this solution? Is it trash? Or do you think there's a chance? Is it trash, or do you think there's a chance that this saved our lives? We're at 448, 444, God, I can't speak, dog. How do I do this? I read numbers backwards. We're at 448 million credits. And it's been taking an hour or $100 an hour. Oh, he was on the docs on Reddit. Okay. I changed the solution to be subscribe to a different token program, and I'm just subscribing to the Solana token program address, because right now I'm using the README here. I'm using the I wish I could explain it. I'm using log subscribe, which is every single transaction. And instead of log subscribe, I'm doing program subscribe now. So I've changed it. So log subscribe is every single transaction, I believe. And then we've been doing that. But I said, hey, why not just use program subscribe? And then subscribe to the Solana program. I don't know. I don't know, dude. But maybe I should subscribe just to the... No, because that's getting every transaction on Radium. I don't know. I need to come back. I need to like meditate on this one. I need to meditate on this one. I haven't seen any transactions come through yet. So nothing, no new tokens. So let's wait for that for sure.
Rouse me from my slumber.
Nothing yet, but let's give it a little bit of time. Get some water.
Who dares rouse me from my slumber?
Opera!
Who dares rouse me from my slumber? Who dares rouse me from my slumber? Who dares rouse me from my slumber? Who dares rouse me from my slumber?
Alright, so I don't think it's working. Unfortunately. God, it doesn't seem to be working, so let's try just watching Radium. No, because that's Radium transactions.
Who dares
See, I don't know if
rouse me
watching
from
Radium
my
is the play,
slumber?
but I don't know. Maybe. I'm not seeing any output, but when I watch that Addy on Soul Scan, there is definite output. The end variable in my code is my nice funcs. It's where I keep some of my functiones. Look at all these bowls accumulated in here. 11 mil, 22 mil. Jeez. 36 mil. Somebody is buying the motherfucking dip. Somebody just bought so much right there. 50 mil, 60 mil. Okay, let's see what you got. Main RS. The messages you're receiving from the Solana network are notifications about changes in the specific accounts. Each notification contains details about an account's state, including the land port's balance, owner space, and other metadata. The key points from the parsed JSON data include land ports, owner, executable, rent epoch, space, data. Parsing and using the data to make use of this data for monitoring new token creations or other significant events. You might want to focus on specific attributes. For instance, if you're looking for new token accounts, monitor for new token accounts. Watch the new token accounts where the owner is that. I want to only see the new token accounts. Yo, Ryan, all my code is in the bootcamp, dog. It's all right here. Everything you need, B. Everything you need with cheese. Click that button, add that Solana sniper to it, and you're good to go. You got the nice funks. Or just stick around, B. Because I go through it all the time. I go through it all the time, dude. Every day. I probably already showed it in this stream here. To be real with you. Come on, baby. We need this one. Come on. Let's get it. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Wish me luck. No, nothing, nothing. Not this, not this. We got a little error here. We got a little error. We got to fix that first. Yo, did everybody know about this copy output thing or something? Nobody seemed impressed. Yo, bro, I didn't know you're in school. That's dope. Since you're in school and I like to help the kids, let's go ahead and just show you the market buy real quick. Come on, be quick though. Don't let everybody else see this. Just a little freebie for my guy. All right, market buy is right here, dude. Okay, take the screenshot. 3, 2, 1, boom. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, market sell is right here, dude. Boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And anybody else here, there you go. You're savages for being here this long. I appreciate you, love you, and that was that. The warning you're seeing is because the variable I in your for loop is unused. If you do not intend to use I, you can prefix it full modified code main.rs. All right, there we go. You're welcome, bro. Damn. So this, I'm going to give it a moment, but thank you, Arunas. My homie said, try this. Please send me it implemented with the full code. So subscribing to the program subscribe, and then token that. What do we have right now? Program subscribe. Okay. And then params JSON. Okay. My eyes are starting to go, fellas. My eyes are starting to go. Okay, I can see this. ID1 method, program subscribe, params. I'm just gonna have her do it, but that's cool. I understand it. I'm just gonna mess it up. No more balance. What are you talking about? 777 Rye J. Is this me again? Dude. How? Nah, man. All right, this is crazy. I lost 200 on Anchor today. I'm down. I'm getting liquidated on Anchor today. This is unbelievable. Arunas, what is your confidence level in this next thing? I'll put more in. I'll put more in. What's your confidence level that this is going to bring it down? 1 to 10. I'm bullish on Anchor now. For real. Let's go look at it. I'm bullish on Anchor too, dude. That is great. 5, LOL. Okay, I'm running it. I'm trying it. Okay, I'm gonna own all of Anchor by the end of this. This is the best business I've ever seen. This is literally the best business model I've ever seen. It's just testing the HTTP. Oh, I don't know. Oh, because it's testing the HTTP. Yeah, it's testing the HTTP. So it tests it because we were tripping for like 3 months. But it just tests it. So maybe, response body, it used to say okay. It does say okay now. But yeah. Good thing. All right. I'm max longing Anchor I've never seen such a good business before. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, but I don't want this to be an endorsement for Anchor. Are they printing? It's an investment firm? They pitch themselves as an investment firm? 13 investments? Okay. How about you run your business? Your business is clearly a money printer if you're an investment firm. You won't know when I make it, but there will be signs. Jesus Christ. A company turns into an investment firm? 8,000 employees? No, that's not employees, right? No, it's not employees. Build any Web3 project with leading performance. Trusted by the best in the business. Masari. Trash. Wormhole. Sorry, I said Masari's trash because that boy is unhinged. It's so funny. He had to step down. That's so funny because I called him out like 2 months ago and he blocked me. Boy unhinged. He more unhinged than I. I'm pretty chill compared to that dude. Pretty chill. All right, so we got a 5 out of 10. Best guess. I'm loading her back up. We're gonna run it back. 777. So much love to you, dude. Thank you for coming. Thank you for passing the love. I can't believe I'm down 253 credits now. 253 million. Dude, what is this? What is this? $2.2 million. Yo, what's going on? All right, I'm just gonna run it back one time. I'm running it back one time. They're really getting me today, fellas. I'm not giving you that much, dog. I'm gonna give you 40. I'm gonna give you 40, and this is my last amount. I can't see much on the website. It's super delayed. Like, it doesn't even have yesterday's stuff. Something's going on. There's only one IP address hitting it, though. So that's how I know. I'm confident it's just me. So you paranoid boys out there, I've already stomped on that ant already. All right, Anchor, you've gotten 240 from me from the start of this project. I should have launched my own node. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, Trent. Let's be honest, Jane. I should have launched my own node. I'm 12 hours in. I'm not 12 hours in. I'm like 8 hours. I didn't even buy enough to get my credits up. Yeah, I'm gonna hang on now because I thought I just put 40 in there. You can see that it's not showing any of the data, unfortunately. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. There's an... I have to unsubscribe? I have to unsubscribe from a WebSocket? Don't tell me that, dog. Don't tell me that. Not right now. Weird because it says... Okay. That makes me feel better. Thank you. Thank you, Trent. All right, I just threw 40 at it, but I guess that wasn't enough. I don't know. Maybe I can't do math now. Was I down 500,000 credits? 500 million credits? Like something's going on here. All-time request is 4.9 million. 1 hour request is 1.7 million. What's going on with your stuff over here, Anchor? I think Anchor's scamming now. now I'm getting a little fishy. Cause this said, okay, let's see 24 hours. It says 4.5 million. I mean, okay, maybe request there's multiple tokens in the request. Yeah, that's probably what it is. But what is it? 30 requests per second. Something weird's going on over here. Something weird. Can you unselect not all chains, but Solana chain on top? It's only, I only have Solana on here. Then transaction. Man. I think something weird's going on. I don't know what it is, but my credits are getting drained. I'm gonna put more money in. I mean, what else can I do? I should have gone with quick node. I should have gone with quick node. Jane, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You just lost 3K USD? What? What are you talking about? How though? Dog, it didn't get used, bro. You're paranoid because this is a brand new key nobody's seen. Unless they're in my account. Okay. Unless they got into my account, but nobody's seen this API key. Ah, man, that's the difficult thing, I guess, about doing this live and taking the input is not everybody's paying attention and then just types random stuff. Like, not everybody's here, you know? Trent's over there, like, somebody use the key. Maybe, but. So 400 million credits, 1 billion. Homeboy is saying I lost. See, it says I've used 2.4 billion credits. Nah, bro. They didn't. There's no way. It's my IP. It says only shows my IP address, dog. You smoking way too much of that reefer, bro. Stop blazing so much. You're too paranoid. You're too paranoid, dog. I guess my key's right here. My key is literally right there, but it's showing a one IP address. And if they, nah, I don't know, bro. I don't think so. I don't think that's the thing. I don't think so. It can't, like, maybe, but it would show a different IP address. There would be multiple IP addresses shown. That's the only thing. That's the only reason I'm not like, I don't think anybody took the key. Boys, sometimes I think Trent is very paranoid. Dog, the IP address, bro. Shut up. You crazy, dog. The IP. There's only one IP, bro. You paranoid, dog. I think Trent is the op sometime. I really do. Are you sent here from JP, dog? They're like, all right, Trent, this is your job. We know you're a 1000X engineer. Feed him some real good stuff. feed him some real good stuff. But then take him down these rabbit holes and just say the same thing over and over again. He said, man, I'm just trying to look out. I know that, bro, but I've said it like 14 times. Like, the IP is one IP. I've already done the testing for the, if it's my, if it's leaked, I hit it. Don't play. Don't make me feel bad now. Don't give me the sad face, Trent. Buck up, bro. Just don't get stuck on the same thing and try to give me the, oh, I gotta whitelist it. No, bro, I ain't whitelisted nothing. These are my friends here. These are my family. My family doesn't steal from me. There's nobody in the audience that would ever take anything from me. I know that. There's not one soul here. Plus my IP, which I said 42 times. Anyways. Down bad. Down bad on Anchor. I upset Trent. I was too hard on him. I'm gonna add some more. I'm adding. I sound like a traitor. I'm adding. I have to. I'm adding. One time. We're gonna put 30 more in there. No, 20 more. Because then I'll have, yeah. That doesn't make sense. This stuff doesn't make sense. How I had so many, I don't get it. Let's just keep running it up. Yo, let me have one question for you guys. If the API shows only my IP address is hitting the API, or the API, then does that mean that only I'm hitting it? I know technically somebody could like hijack my IP or something. I don't know. But I don't know, dude. I question y'all sometimes. Have you ever heard of spoofing IP? Yeah, but like, do you think somebody's gonna spin that up and in 3 hours while I'm on live just to get some anchor credits? Come on, bro. That's some corporate thinking you got going on. Like, I'm sorry, dog. You're thinking it's too deep. That's too deep. Nobody's gonna lick me from Anchor and then spoof my IP. And that's what I'm saying. You're paranoid, bro. You paranoid, dog. Let's think of a different. Let's use that big brain. You're a 1000x engineer. Let's use that big brain. Let's use that big brain to think of something productive. Come on, B. If you left 250 on the street, you think it's going to be there in a couple hours? No, but if I leave 250 in this room right here, and it's super hard to get because you have to spoof an IP address and build out a bunch of code in order to use my Anchor API credits, I think my credits would still be here. And come on, B. Oh my God, this kills me. This kills me. This kills me, dog. Come on, life is so much more simple than this, dog. Let's go. Come on, B. Come on. We gotta just like focus that brain, dog. Let's get it. Let's focus. Yes, there's all this theoretical stuff could happen, but I don't know, dog. I don't know. All right, let's run it back. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. Nah, I'm not giving into that dark side of thinking you got going on over there, bro. You got a dark brain. Come on, dog. Let's go. Let's think of the productive things. Ain't nobody taking my credits right now. It literally says, I'll entertain you for half a second. No, I'm not gonna entertain you. I'm not gonna entertain this. I was gonna say I'll ask GPT, but like I'm ready with GPT working on something. So I'm not entertaining Trent's like conspiracy theories over here. Let's go ahead and see that. I'll entertain that though. I'll just watch it for a while. So we're at 128 credits. Yo, Bohemian, what's up, bro? Good to have you here. Good to have you here. You say you're new here. I'm glad you're new here. We're doing new things every day. We're on the Rust now. I don't know how. Best way to track wallets on Solana? Probably Bird Eye from my point of view right now because it's the only way I can. Been in crypto since 21. Oh boy, you got Rizzy wrecked. I'm glad you're here. This is the better way. Yeah, I don't think anybody's stealing my credits. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna let it keep going. $50 equals 2.5 million credits only. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know. It's a good question, dog. I'll bet you I put like my life savings. Nobody's taking the API credits, bro. Nobody is spoofing my IP. I mean, I'm sure they will now that we had this conversation, but like, this is the type of stuff when you think this way, bro, you attract bad things into your life. This is like, that's such a scarcity mindset to think 9 people here are gonna go through so much work to spoof my IP. It's a React website, so it doesn't need refreshing, I believe. I believe. But Trent's on tilt. And now he's asking about the requests and the credits. I don't know, bro. I don't know. We're both on tilt, honestly. I got tilted once I got hit with Claude like 4 hours ago. But I mean, this goes back to why I wouldn't trade. I stopped trading because of that. It's like you never know what's gonna hit you in the day, or like you get excited about something. It's like, oh, I'm gonna put a trade on. I was like, okay. Oh, I woke up at 9:30. I'm gonna put a trade on. Is market's open? Ooh. It's like, okay. Human beings just go through, roller coasters. So it's not the best for trading. All right. So I've used 2.6 billion credits today. Oh my God. You sent USDT to Coinbase on Polygon. That's awful, bro. That's awful. I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully they get that back for you. I've done that, definitely. I sent that to Wishy back in the day, like a couple months ago, remember? Remember, dog? I sent the USD. You sent USDC. Yeah, USDC on Polygon. Yeah, Polygon for some reason, or Coinbase for some reason, doesn't allow that. It's weird, but it's probably because they have base. I don't know. No, because they accept Solana and all that. That's the weird part. Yeah, but you've lost out on way more than $700 by being paranoid your whole life. So, I mean that, like, I feel bad, but you could change it today. You could change that at any moment. I'm just gonna keep working on you slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Within the next few years, Trent, you're gonna be looking at the bright side of every single opportunity. Because that's the only way to live, bro. You're gonna get wrecked here and there. You're gonna get scammed here and there. That's fine. But why would we live this life? We only got one life. We could be out tomorrow, dog. Could be out tomorrow. And I'm sitting here 20 minutes in because somebody could be stealing my $20 on Anchor. The fuck, dog? Come on, B. This is bigger. This is bigger than coding, dog. Let's get it. Let's look at the bright side. Look at the motherfucking bright side. Look at the motherfucking bright side, bro. $700 lesson. All right. So we're not getting stolen. Hey, do you guys are you confident that we're not getting stolen from right now? Because I haven't been running anything and staying at 128. Are you guys feeling it? Can we get a 777 in the chat if you feel like we're not getting stolen from? Everything's Gucci, 128 still, chilling. I put the extra money in. They wrecked me today, but that's, Okay, Doug, thank you, bro. Okay, I agree. Thank you, Trent. All right, let's move on. B. Bailey, thank you. All right. Now, Arunas had a 5 out of 10 idea, and we're so down bad today that we're doing 5 out of 10 ideas. Confidence level of 5 out of 10 from Arunas. I've never met you in my life, but I love you. I don't know where you live. I don't know your credibility. So we're taking the 5 out of 10 idea from Arunas, but he's been in the docks, and I haven't been, so that's all love. I appreciate you, dog. 777, much love. And I'm just trying to put some good vibes out here for this idea because Arunas's 5 out of 10 could be my 12 out of 10, I don't know Arunas. He's been around here for a while. I F with him heavy, but I don't have any background. So let's just say Arunas, let's not give him the 1000x. Let's give him a 500x engineer. I know we should be saying 10x, but let's do that. And this 5 is a MoonDev 12 out of 10 confidence level. So my homie said, try this. Please send me it implemented with the full code. Okay, what are we talking about? Well, it's right there. And this, okay, let's just, no. I need to go back. Okay, this is the code that works. Okay, cool. Now that we have not gotten stole from yet, nobody in here would take that. Y'all hit me up when I leave my keys. Come on, B. We leave with love around here. That's all. It was so sad the other day. I had to get rid of an OG. He went sour on us. He must have got liquidated or something that day. It was so sad. It's a decision I had to make. I had to cut him off. Don't ever come at me for trying to lean into the positive side of things at all times. It's impossible to do. It's not impossible, but it's hard to do. But like, fuck, like that's like coming at someone's religion, dog. So you come at me, I come at you. How do I come at you, dude? I block you. Oh my God, that's so nerdy and funny. Oh, I love it. Well, how did we get here? What you gonna do about it, dog? Oh, you got beef with me? What you gonna do? I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna kick you from the Discord. Kick you from my life, really. It's so nice. YouTube, bye. Everywhere, bye. Bye. Good night. Blocked. Dog, that's so hard. Wow. I love this world. I love this digital world so much. Hey, when's VR gonna come to fruition? Like, when are we gonna have these little VR things on? I mean, I know Apple dropped, so that's a good sign that it's coming soon. Trent would agree with me that once Apple does it, it's on. We just some Apple fanboys, aren't we, Trent? You remember Keith? Rest in peace, Keith. He was probably the biggest Apple fan I've ever met. Aruna says, MoonDev, ask it to add print method of this message so add a print method of the new message so we can see. I don't know what. Add a check credit balance and see how fast the credits are being burned. I tried that, but it was a rabbit hole. I already identified that. I need you to pay attention if you're gonna participate, Trent. I need you to pay attention this whole time, all right? Come on, dog. You could have saved $700. You were at that stream where I told Wishy, yo, bro, I just sent $100 accidentally on Polygon USDC, and now you can't have it. So I had to send it again. Pay attention, dog. Pay attention, dog. Coinbase announces support for asset recoveries on BNB, Smart Chain, and Polygon. Nice. That's dope. Okay. Let's get this. This is it. This is the Let's see it. Let's see it. This is the one for sure. I'm confident in that. Dang, this taking a long time to code it, huh? There it is. All right, this is the last. I'm done. I'm out of here after this. I'm out of here. I gotta stop. I gotta go do something else. Sorry, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I actually can is the thing, but like I need to cut myself off essentially. Okay, there's their printy prints. What you want with them, dog? What do you want with these prints? I don't like them at all. What do you want with them, dog? What would you like? What would you like? Let me go ahead and say, okay, I don't think we need them anymore. You just wanted to see, right? I think you just wanted to see that it was working. It is working. But here it's working. Here, I'm just gonna say this. I'm gonna go ahead and say copy it all. It seems to be working. Be printing fine now. Do you want me to send it to you or? Seems to be working fine now. We can't. So I could just go back to the old one, is what you're saying. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. You just wanted to just check in, Arunas, to see if it was working. Is that correct? I mean, okay, we can update to only show the new launches now. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Dope. Thank you, bro. It's a good idea. Good idea. Good idea. Did he go silent? I should have. Sorry, I had to go to the fiance with the Oracle install. Oh yeah, what is Oracle? Hey, any of this like interests you, dude? Let's go ahead here. And here's all the data. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a sorry, I just can't think of a name right now. Brain dead. JSON? Yep. Program notification. Let's explore this a little bit. Just so we can see it. Let's go ahead here and get this. Here's the. What the fudge, bro? Did you just see what it did? Just changed languages on me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ever again. Or I go back to Claude. Here is the code to update. Okay. Oh, my computer's hurting right now. Is this open? No, stop it. Everything's tripping now. Including myself. I'm just gonna go back to that old code here. Before she changed languages on us. Do you even remember the problem we're going through right now? This 128 million credits. Okay. But can we get this to go to give us the thing? Parse JSON. Here's some. Let's do that. Let's do that. That's a good idea. I'm gonna say above is the output of the new code. Now you can see some of it. Please update the Rust code in order to only print when there is a new token launch. Dude, this is heavy, B. This is heavy. You don't have the answers, Sway. All right, this is my 8th hour of Rust in production. Just so you can mark it and put it on your like your calendar or something. Just in case you're dude. She's all bumbled up or something. She's tripping. She's tripping hella hard. Above is the output of the below code. Actually, it's not. Now it is. Please update it to only look at or only print the new token launches now. Send back full Rust code. I'm rage quitting if she does that again. So just FYI, if you don't hear from me for the rest of the day, I'm just rage quitting and I'm gonna go play some video games. I'll probably go outside actually. I need to go outside. I'm gonna go outside today. We're gonna see sun today. Oh, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. I've been in this motherfucking box here for a minute. Let's get out there. Let's get out there, get some sunshine. I didn't mean to be here for so long. This is just a rabbit hole. This is a rabbit hole. I picked it. I picked this one. Okay, that's a lot less code, so that makes me very nervous. Yeah, I don't think this is it. I don't think this is the one. Arunas, what are your thoughts on this, bro? Program notification, slot value. Nah, it doesn't seem like what we need. Kind of how I'm feeling as well. And it's still running the credits down, so. I'm curious, do you guys think it's just this expensive to be streaming all this? Yo, do you think it's just this expensive to stream all this per hour? And that's why everybody launches their own node? And most people aren't streaming all day like this? Like WebSocketing it, they're just using the API probably. I mean, the obvious play here is just switch to the API. But I don't know. Do you think it's like that? It's supposed to be like that, or I don't know. I'm confused. But I think that's where I'm gonna write some notes here. Yeah, definitely gonna write some notes here. Didn't help to just look at that data. We didn't seem to get any. I'm just gonna run this all the way back here. Main.rs, main working here. Copy. I'll keep it. I'll keep the other one. Seem to get any. Keeping the current version that. Nah, I'm not even gonna keep it. F it. Peace. All right, so this works. It's just mad expensive. Yo, throw a 1 in the chat if you think it's just mad expensive, and throw a 2 in the chat if you think I messed something up, because I don't know. If it's supposed to be this expensive, throw a 1. If something's messed up, throw a 2. And if you just have no idea, throw a 0. 2. I messed something up. 2. Okay. That's good to see. That's good to hear. Or I was just like missing something. Ryan Jacobs doesn't know. Well, I guess I'm just gonna sleep on it. Unbelievable performance over here by Anchor today. They won. I need to wrap this up because I gotta come at this at a different angle, a whole different world. So 7:31 right now. The cost of Anchor is nuts. Subscribing to blog, subscribe to watch the radium pool. For new token creations. Like 100 an hour. I can try the API instead. Everyone thinks I can't. It's wrong. And we can find a better way. I could do this forever, dude. I have so many more ideas I want to try right now, but like, I'd need to not code forever. That's it. Like, I could go for another 10 hours. Easy. I could easy go for another 10 hours on this. Let's see. Is the coffee on? Coffee's on. There's hot coffee there. I can go forever. But I need to pull myself away from this because we're stuck. So I'm out. Peace. Love you. 777.